Hello, today I'm very excited to review this sample provided by Zoroms Natural Green Tea Blotting Paper for Skin Oil. So it's a 6-pack. Like I said, it's green tea. This is how it looks individually. So all you have to do, I love these sheets because they work on bare skin or on makeup. And all you have to do is grab one sheet, press it on your skin, especially on the T-zone where the oil where is the most oily, and it will absorb the oil and the sheet will turn out transparent. This is how they look. So you just pressing it, don't drag it because you're going to remove your makeup or mess up your makeup. All you have to do is press it firm but gently against your skin, and then as it absorbs the oil, it gets transparent. Don't overdo it. Don't do it more than 3 times per day because otherwise your skin is going to get too dry. But I like them. I enjoy using them in a hot weather or taking them to the gym to remove some excess oil or sweat. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Thank you for watching my video.